Question Alpha 01, which of the following is a purpose of the amateur radio service as stated in the FCC rules and regulations? Answer is C. Advancing skills in the technical and communication phases of the radio art. Question Alpha 02, which agency regulates and enforces the rules for the amateur radio service in the United States? Answer is C. The FCC. Question Alpha 03, what are the FCC rules regarding the use of a phonetic alphabet for station identification in the amateur radio service? Answer is D. It is encouraged. Question Alpha 04, how many operator/primary station license grants may be held by any one person? Answer is A1. Question Alpha 05, what is proof of possession of an FCC-issued operator/primary license grant? Answer is C. The control operator's operator/primary station license must appear in the FCC ULS Consolidated Licensee Database. Question Alpha 06, what is the FCC Part 97 definition of a beacon? Answer is C. An amateur station transmitting communications for the purposes of observing propagation or related experimental activities. Question Alpha 07, what is the FCC Part 97 definition of a space station? Answer is C. An amateur station located more than 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Question Alpha 08, which of the following entities recommends transmit/receive channels and other parameters for auxiliary and repeater stations? Answer is B. Volunteer Frequency Coordinator recognized by local amateurs. Question Alpha 09, who selects a frequency coordinator? Answer is C. Amateur operators in a local or regional area whose stations are eligible to be repeater or auxiliary stations. Question Alpha 10, which of the following describes the Radio Amateur Civil Emergency Service, races? Answer is D. All of these choices are correct. Question Alpha 11, when is willful interference to other amateur radio stations permitted? Answer is B. At no time.